So I've got a couple of my hens in there. See how they do it picking weeds. The big lady is a silver-laced Wyandotte. We call her Snake Eye. It's hard to see on video, but she has one eye that is totally reptilian. We call her Snake Eye. And the little girl over there is Goldie. We call her Goldie, but her actual name is Goldie Hawn. Just kind of funny. And she's just a cute little blonde puff ball of a silky. Now I think that's about it for size constraints for my portable chicken tractor. So we'll see how this works out. You can see they've got plenty to work on. And don't worry, I'll give them some water here in just a minute. Well, looks like this experiment didn't go over as well as I'd hoped. You can see I changed one of the chickens out because Goldie didn't care for it. They didn't do a real good job, so I'm thinking maybe I should cut more of the bottom out. I mean, it'll compromise structural integrity, but I think maybe they'd do a better job. I don't know. We'll just have to see next time. Okay, a quick update on the portable pen I was using in the garden to try to get the chickens to pull some weeds. Yesterday, with the bigger holes, you can see where they had bare spots where the holes were, but the rest was pretty much untouched. So what I did, I went back and basically cut the whole bottom out. That's not quite as structurally sound, but we'll see how that works. And I would try it again today, but it's, I don't know if you can see the trees and everything blowing. It's really windy. And the chickens don't care for the wind, so I'm just going to leave them alone today. We'll try it again later. Cross your fingers, we're hoping. Checking on one of our broody hens. Now this little girl, her other eggs did not hatch, and she wouldn't give them up, so I took them away from her and gave her some fresh eggs. And hopefully they will hatch for her, but she is refusing to come off nests, so if these don't hatch, I'm just going to have to take them away from her and kick her out of the brood pen, because I mean, enough is enough, right? This is our other broody hen. This is Phyllis. Full name is Phyllis Diller because of her interesting hairdo. Now she's sitting here the first time. This is actually in the chicken house. And I tried to move her to the brood house and she got off her nest. So what I've done this time is the egg she has under her, I have marked. Let me find one. See, I've marked it with an X. That way when I come in here at night, if there are other eggs under her that are not marked, I take them away. And I leave the ones that are marked under her. Hopefully we can hatch some with her. See her crazy hairdo? Anyway guys, that's how I'm having to deal with this brood hen. Now what's crazy, yesterday when I came in, I was checking for her marked eggs. I know there are 5. Well, I only found 4 under her. And when I got to looking around, the other one was in this nest, which is just one of our regular laying nests. Now how did a chicken move it from here around this divider over here? It's insane. Anyways, that's what we got with the brood hens. In here you can see our baby chickens are growing. Mama's still really protective. Now next weekend, some guys are going to show up to take them. Now the people that are coming to get them are the same people that bought our last little goat. They're trying real hard to get a farm started, and we're trying to help them out as much as possible. We gave them some of our bigger chickens that we was going to get rid of the last time, and now we're going to give them these little ones to help replenish. So hopefully they can get a good start going. So over here we reworked our soil a little bit in our bed here and replanted our peas. We had them planted one time, but as you can see, only a couple came up. So we're hoping for a better result. We'll see. Over here, we planted some green beans. And my wife wanted to trellis the green beans, so you can see right here, we built one out of cattle panels. Goes up and arches. Comes down the other side. Ought to work pretty good, cattle panel trellis.